Hello friends. So after completing the question number 1, now we'll start with problem 2 on implicit function. Now guys, this time I've taken the implicit function, and with that there is one more function. And now let's see how to get the derivative of such implicit function. So here u is given as x square y, and we have x square plus xy plus y square equal to 1, and guys, we have to find out the value of du by dx. Now here we have two functions, and the question is find du by dx. So how to get it? First thing is u is given as function of x and y, that is clear. So what we'll do is we will find out the derivative of u with respect to x. Now guys, since we don't know whether y is a function of x or not, for that reason we have been given one more condition, or I will say one more equation. Now if you observe this equation, then here we have x square plus xy plus y square, let's say minus 1 equal to 0. So that is in the form of f of, here I'll write down for you, x square plus xy plus y square minus 1 equal to 0. So this equation is in the form of f of x comma y equal to 0. And now since du by dx is asked, we can't say that y is a constant. But if I look at this equation, then here we can say that this is an implicit function and y is a function of x. So guys, we have to keep that thing in mind, and we have to then solve the question. So here let's start. So for that I'll differentiate u with respect to x. So here I'll apply uv rule. So here I'll get 2x into dy by dx. I mean here I'll get 2x, and that is derivative of x square, and guys, I'll keep this y as it is. Next, plus, now I'll keep this x square as it is, and the derivative of y is dy by dx. So while applying the product rule, we differentiate one term and we keep other term as it is. So x square, the derivative of x square is 2x, y as it is, and then x square as it is, derivative of y is dy by dx. Now here we got 2xy plus x square dy by dx. Now if I want to get the value of du by dx, I should know the value of dy by dx, and for that here we have a function of x and y. Now we'll find out the value of dy by dx. So guys, for that I'll use the formula method. So here I'll write it down. So the value of dy by dx is given by the formula negative fx by fy. So let's see what we get. So first of all, here I'll write down 2xy plus x square as it is. Next, in bracket negative sign, let's find out the value of fx. So for that we'll differentiate this function f with respect to x partially. So here we'll get 2x, here we'll get plus y, here 0 and 0 because it does not have any x. Similar in the denominator, we'll find out fy, that is differentiating f with respect to y partially. Here we'll get 0, here we'll get x, and here we'll get 2y. Now to get the final answer, we'll multiply this bracket with x square. So guys, here we will get 2xy. This will be negative x square into 2x plus y upon x plus 2y. And guys, this is nothing but the value of du by dx. So here we got the answer, and I'm sure that you understood how to find out the value of du by dx when two functions are given, out of which one function is the implicit function. So guys, keep watching the videos, because in next video I'm going to take more tougher examples based on implicit function. Let's see how to get the answer of the given question by using the concept of implicit function. Thank you very much.